Hello my dear friends, once again welcome to my channel Crockery and Cutlery Tales. I have again brought a chicken recipe for you all named as Chicken Bhuna Masala. This is basically a dry gravy where roasted spices cling to the chicken pieces. Bhuna is a method where chicken is cooked in high flame to dry up all the liquid. Here I have taken 750 grams of chicken. In that I am adding salt at first for marination, followed by generous amount of turmeric powder. Now we need to massage the salt and turmeric well into the chicken pieces. When the masalas are well coated to the chicken, we will rest it aside for 1 hour. In the meanwhile, let us prepare the masala which we will be using. Many spices will go in, so it is important to know the order. First, red chilies, then cumin seeds. After that, coriander seeds. Few cinnamon sticks. Require both the varieties of cardamom, the black and the green ones. After that, some peppercorns. Now roast all the spices till they let out a beautiful aroma. If you want to make it extra spicy, then you can add few more peppercorns and red chili. Once the spices get roasted well, cool them for some time and transfer into a blender to make it into a smooth powder. You can see a nice blackish brown color. This is the main ingredient of this chicken curry. We will heat sufficient amount of mustard oil. In the beginning, I am adding some sugar. This will help in caramelizing the onions. We will fry the onions till they get nicely browned. Now I will add chopped garlic and ginger paste. Fry them for some time. I am also adding some onion paste. This will give a thickness to the gravy. Add few bay leaves. The most important thing which we will do throughout this recipe is to cook everything in high flame so that the color changes into its darkest form. Now adding some red Kashmiri chili powder. After combining the masala well, I will add the chunks of chicken into the oil. Turn the flame into high and keep frying the chicken continuously. We should be careful not to leave the chicken unattended, or else there are possibilities of it getting burnt. As it is being done over high heat, the spices will continue sticking to the edges of the karai. So with the spatula, continuously try to scrape the masalas. After cooking for some time, Add beaten curd. Mix it well with the chicken. We will add the roasted spice powder now in the chicken. The color of this gravy will gradually change from now. It will first turn deep brown and later black in color. Throughout the preparation, the heat will be high. We do not need to lower the flame while cooking this. The chicken will release its own moisture and get boiled. You can cover it for some time and allow itself to get cooked in its own water. Approximately 45 minutes, the chicken curry will be ready to serve hot with rice, roti, paratha, pulao, biryani, anything and everything you can eat with this wonderfully delicious chicken gravy. I hope all of you are impressed by the color and flavor of this special dry chicken bhuna masala. Please hit the bell button and like